This is a brand new 2021 Mitsubishi Mirage. It's the Carbonite Edition. That's why you've got all this carbon fiber looking materials all around it. I'll show it to you. I left it running with the AC on. That's what keeps kicking it off and on in there, because it's over 100 degrees here, and when I'm ready to get back in that car, I want it nice and cool. So you got all these different bits of flair, I'll call it. This is a different design this year. Looks good. And this looks great. 39 combined miles per gallon, 43 highway, 36 city. Here's the warranty information. 10 years 100 bumper powertrain, 5 years 60,000 bumper to bumper, 7 100 anti-corrosion, and 5-year unlimited roadside assistance. Now the car has some pretty cool features already included with it, such as this forward collision mitigation system, hill start assist, and you can see some of the others. Right here, there's the sensor right in there for the collision mitigation system. Also detects pedestrians. If you're approaching too fast to a car or whatever, you're about to crash, it's gonna stomp on the brakes for you, automatically activate them. Very cool. These cars are extremely reliable. They just run and run. Mitsubishi is known for its quality. In fact, J.D. Power and Associates in their 2020 initial quality survey named Mitsubishi the top-rated Japanese brand, ahead of both Honda and Toyota. That might surprise some people, but this country's finally starting to pick up on what the rest of the world's already known, which is that Mitsubishi is equated with really good quality and really not that expensive in comparison to others. If you'd like to finance this car, well, actually, let me show you a few things inside before we get there. Show you some of the features here. Might have some wind noise from the air conditioner. Let's turn that down a bit. Reverse camera, of course, is nice and big, the screen. I think I'll pop the hood, show you that monster of an engine that powers all this while it's running, so you can see. Let's see here. That's it right there. Big old beast. The air conditioner keeps kicking on and off. If you want to finance this vehicle, though, if you go to our website and fill out the credit application, it'll tell you if you're approved or not by the time that you finish filling it out. And you can find that at westmitsubishi.com. 530-655 West is the number. We don't care if you've got good credit or bad or none at all. We can find a way to approve almost everyone. So don't be afraid if you need a bad credit auto loan. It's all right. We promise you'll be all right. Check out our Google reviews. More than 1,270 customers have left us a review so far. We've got a 4.9 out of 5 average, higher than any other dealer in the area. Just a good place to do business. So check that out and come on in and see us. We look forward to adding you to the West Mitsubishi family. We'll see you soon.